Before the blue had oceans, before the ground had borders, I learned to keep a record without ink, breath, or witnesses. Born in the inner disk where the oxygen ran thin, solar nebula furnace with production locked in, fugacity below where the surface world could stand. Primitive chemistry crystallized the contraband. MgCO3 built an Enstatite frame, almost pho free, yet the metal still came. Silicone bearing camosite, silver in the grain. Trilite drew circuitry through a sulfur vein. Odemite held calcium where no oxide could survive. Ferrone alabandite kept the manganese alive. Stony cut facets I2N2O. Graphite wrote a black script only vacuum gets to know. Low iron L branch, not an E8 twin. Chondrite was once distinct, then the furnace folded in. Type 6 equilibration made the boundaries retreat. Recrystallized memory under metamorphic heat. I was never merely rubble drifting nameless through the night. I was pressure made legible, mineral law made light. Every phase was testimony, every lattice took a scar. A courtroom made a crystal cross-examining a star. Then two ancient bodies met without a warning sign. Hypervelocity grammar broke the parent rock's design. No mouth made the statement, no pen supplied the facts. The collision signed its verdict in impact, melt blast. I came down carrying fire that the atmosphere could not erase. A reduced world archive with the fusion darkened face. October 21st, 1901, split the noon. Thunder crossed the cloud deck like a bass line out of tune. 14 kilograms brought in asteroids past the ground. Finland caught the evidence when the sky became the sound. Yeah. Fragmental breccia, every shard a different page. Lithified by violence, then annealed beneath an age. 5 plus and minus 2%. Dark classed in the frame. 1 to 2.5 centimeters. Frozen impact flame. Shock melt cooled rapidly. Opaque against the host. A microcosmic crime scene where the hottest moments ghost. Present label reading S2. Deceptively serene. Oh, the force lies buried in the recrystallized scene. Uedral Enstatite grew with edges clean and strict. Stenoid from the furnace made the nitrogen convict. Regolith insulation held the damaged stone below. Burial muted fractures while the thermal currents flowed. Chondrite outlines faded, elemental ratio stayed. Petrologic type 6 from the overprint displayed. I survived by changing shape that is deeper than defense. A rock can lose its features without losing evidence. Punchline pressure tried to end me, only edited the draft. Heat attempted censorship, I mineralized the aftermath. Broken, welded, very late, a launch beyond the crust. I turned catastrophic impact into data you can trust. Ejector cleared the gravity. Cosmic rays began the count. Cold orbit kept no calendar. Only exposure could amount. Then entry drew a plasma sheet. Ablation shaved the skin. Velocity paid its atmosphere. Before the stone could enter in, bright flight became dark flight. Drag pulled the trajectory low. Clouds heard the sonic signature before the field could know. Now the moon-born thunder sits beneath analytical light. A 14-kilo witness from an oxygen-poor night. Fusion crust outside, ancient architecture within. Comosite beside sulfide, silent testimony pinned. I am Hvittis, not a legend, but a lithic narrative. Brecciated, equilibrated, scientifically declarative. The sky did not drop an ending, it delivered missing parts. Apparent bodies, broken history. Compressed inside the dark. No pulse, no voice, still speaking. No ink, no oath, still proving. From nebula reduction to a field beneath the clouds. Stone remembers what collision never says aloud.